Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camping cots that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Coleman Airbed folding cot with 4D battery pump and side table. The Coleman Queen Airbed is one of a few cots many people love. It's a large bed capable of supporting 2 people. Therefore, it's ideal for use during camping and also perfect for guests. With durable material and construction, this bed offers outstanding support. The steel frame is ideal and delivers up to 600 pounds. Apart from the durable frame, the bed has a heavy-duty mattress. Featuring spring coils, they provide outstanding body support. Besides coil system, the mattress features durable construction that prevents air leaks. The 4D batteries operated pump ensures you get quick and smooth inflation. Forget about other beds that are stressing to carry. With this one, it boasts reliable carrying bag. Also, when using the cot, it delivers unmatched convenience. Furnished with side tables with cup holders, it ensures you enjoy your camping in style. Moving on at number 4, we have the Coleman ComfortSmart camping cot. Coleman always keeps your camping thrilling. Providing different type of camping accessories, they have been making premium camping gears. This ComfortSmart camping cot is one of the best options among the campers. With its folding mechanism, it offers admirable comfort just like a real home bed. It is a fantastic bed that will let you have all comfort in your fingertips. The cot boasts superior coil suspension system complemented by thick foam mattress. With this, it means you get perfect sleep and comfort while far from home. The construction is sure and lets everybody have a chance to sleep better. With a steel frame, it gives you great support. In fact, it can support up to 220 pounds and long enough for up to 7 feet tall. Amazingly, it can fit most car trunks since the frame is collapsible. At number 3, we have the Coleman 80 by 32 inches Pack-Away Cot. You shouldn't be surprised why Coleman appears to be the leader in camping cots. Due to its spectacular designing of various camping equipment, there is a good reason to believe. Now, for this camping cot, things are no different. However, this camping bed features an adjustable size to fit in various camp tents and size of various individuals. It is made for luxury, and the features can tell. Thanks to the removable cup or plate holder. So, you can have your supper or snacks from the comfort of your bed. The primary materials of construction are heavy-gauge steel and strong, rigid polyester material. It is extra wide, long and accommodates individuals of all body heights. Besides, it is easily collapsible and fits most car trunks for portability. The legs feature rubber caps to allow a firm grip and impressive stability. At number 2, we have the Byer of Maine Easy Cot. Honestly speaking, sleeping on the ground is annoying, uncomfortable and unsafe. Byer of Maine Easy Cot comes with extraordinary features to up your sleeping comfort while at the campsite. As the name implies, this is the ultimate cot that offers easy and fast setup. So, it is a practical solution you can use to spare the bed for holiday guests. Equally, it is fully collapsible to allow you travel with it easily as you head to your favorite touristic destination. Besides, the adjustable size allows ample storage space underneath. So, you'll find your camping tent incredibly big to store all your belongings. Featuring welded steel frame, this cot is impressively robust. Although the specs hold that this cot can support 330 pounds maximum, it can support more than that in reality. For the fabric, it is 600 denier polyester that is responsible for overwhelming comfort. And finally at number 1, we have the KingCamp stable folding cot with carry bag. Sleep like a king with this KingCamp stable cot with a carrying bag. It's one of the unique camping beds that are worth investing. Constructed from durable materials, it ensures you get the best sleep. There is no need of carrying pillow since it has angled top to anchor your head and neck. To let it withstand heavyweight support, the bed features lightweight but sturdy stainless steel tubes. The sleeping surface boasts 600D double-layer Oxford fabrics with enhanced breathability. The cot weighs only 15 pounds and can support up to 220 pounds heavy person. Beside heavyweight support, the bed is suitable for tall people up to 6.2 feet. It can fit most vehicle trunks for easy transportation. While sleeping, the side pocket allows secure storage of personal stuff like phones and wallets. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.